Consultant's Guide to Setting Behavioral Training Objectives. By Professor David Iornem. As training consultants, we are often called upon to articulate our training proposals to clients. The components of the consultant's training proposal would normally cover the following topics. 1. Title of the training program. 2. For whom the program is intended. 3. Objectives of the program. 4. Program content. 5. Duration of the program. 6. Methodologies. 7. Venue and date. 8. Course fee. 9. Resource persons. Most of the above listed elements, apart from objectives, are straightforward issues. It is the setting of objectives that usually poses problems for many consultants. To compound the problem, most consultants do not know that they have a problem in this aspect. They assume that it is a simple thing to set objectives. Part of the problem is that many of the so-called training consultants who parade offices have not received training in basic training principles, methods, or techniques. They are probably experts in public relations, accounting, production management, and so on, but they have not learnt anything about training. They are unconscious incompetents. An unconscious incompetent is defined as someone who does not know, but who does not know that he does not know. The main aim and target of this video is to reduce the number of unconscious incompetents in the field of training consultancy. Training is usually regarded as practical education designed to equip the recipients with the skills and techniques that can be useful in performing job-related functions. Training endows trainees with the skills to function in specific professions or occupations. Training focuses on the skill requirements of the learner, by 1. Identifying the training needs of the learner. 2. Planning and organizing training to meet those needs. 3. Designing and delivering the training, targeting the needs. 4. Evaluating the effectiveness of the training vis-a-vis the changed behavior of the learner. Training and learning go hand in hand. While training is what one person does to another person, learning is what we can only do to ourselves. As Hackett points out, learning happens only when the person under instruction 1. Grasps, mentally or physically, the subject. 2. Translates it into words or actions. 3. Makes sense of it in his or her situation. Learning is a psychological concept. To understand it, one has to approach it from that perspective. Learning is probably the topic which is closest to the heart of psychology. Myers defined learning as a relatively permanent change in the organism's behavior due to experience. Psychologists have come up with certain basic criteria to assist us in determining if learning has truly taken place. These are: 1. Learning must lead to change in behavior. 2. Learning must lead to relatively permanent or enduring change. 3. Learning must be as a result of experience. 4. Learning must be based on exposure to environment or any learning situation that allows one to gain some experience. 5. Learning must be purposeful, or learning has to occur under conditions of directed attention and deliberate effort. Learning taxonomy. Since the goal of learning is to effect behavioral change in the subjects, participants, training objectives are consequently stated in behavioral objectives. There are 3 types of learning behaviors, according to Bloom, that training may target in the individual learner. These are: 1. Cognitive learning behavior, which emphasizes the intellectual or conceptual endowments such as the learning of facts, thinking, knowledge, and problem solving. 2. Affective learning behavior, which focuses on the development of attitudes, feelings, emotions, and values. 3. Psychomotor learning behavior, whose major preoccupation is with manual or physical skills development such as walking, writing, talking, swimming, knitting, giving injection, driving, running, playing soccer or basketball, etc. Action words for domains and levels of learning. The 3 domains in Bloom's taxonomy of learning have served as a design and tool kit for training and learning ever since the concept was developed. Trainers are enjoined to consider what the taxonomy can offer in the design of training programs. Thanks for watching. For more information about Consultant's Guide to Setting Behavioral Training Objectives or other books written by David Iornem, visit our website at www.imcnig.org or call us at +2348022887111.